Hey, in this video, I'm gonna go over a couple tips on how do you find the z-score for your AP stats test on the brochure provided by the testing center. So in here, you can see that they will give you lots of data, and it's kind of quite confusing at the beginning, but as I go through it, it will making more sense. So first of all, they give you a general picture right here. This is kind of like a little hint on how do you how is the z-score works, like what does it stand for? Well, it basically like stands for how far away you are from the actual mean, and the probability is basically all of the region that to the left of the z-score. So like for example right here, the shaded region will be the probability. And for example, let us find the question will asking you for a z-score, and if it asks you to do it by hand, this is where the brochure comes to use. So for example, z-score of negative 2.89, it would be, first of all, you find the most left column right here, go into the negative 2.8, and what number I just said, like negative 2.8, negative 2.789. Is that the number I just said? I'm so sorry. I was kind of like short memory. I'm so sorry. Okay, let us just stick with negative 2.3, 2.789. Okay, so first of all, negative 2.7, and what you're gonna do is finding the corresponding values like on the row in here, like 0.08, and because there's no like negative 2.789 like that, the third digits is not provided on the brochure. So then what you can do is just do approximate. I mean, like the answers won't be that strict as long as you find the most closely number, then they will give you the points. So negative 2.78 will just be in here. So this is the probability that correspond with that z-score, and you can just like copy that numbers down on your answer. Yeah, so this is how you like actually do it by hand. You know, like it's not that hard. You just like have to find all of these numbers on the tables right here. So let's just do, like, since I circled it right here before, let's just do a z-score that is negative 0.8, like, yeah, negative 0.80 actually. So you can see that on the most left column, negative 0.8, and searching for the two digits on the rows, on the top row in here, and it will be corresponding with this possibility. Okay, so and another little hint that the brochure gives you is that you can see that the z table they all have the at least two digits. So that's actually a hint for you to write your answers. Make sure that your answer have at least two digits, because you have to be at least aligned with the number format of the testing center gives you. So then you can make sure that you are on the safety zone. Okay, so I hope this is a pretty short video. I think like just gives you a little bit like tips and hints on how do you use the brochure to find the Z test. I mean, what do you guys actually call it? Like I call it brochure, but like if you want to call it packet or something, you can, and yeah, all depends on you.